Training your Rottweiler to be off-leash, what you need to know. Can Rottweilers be trained to be off-leash? Rottweilers are known for their strength, intelligence, and loyalty. They are often seen as guard dogs or police dogs due to their protective nature and intimidating appearance. However, one common concern among pet owners is whether it is possible to train a Rottweiler to be off-leash. In this article, we will explore this question and discuss the factors that determine whether a Rottweiler can be trusted off-leash. As with any dog breed, training a Rottweiler to be off-leash requires time, patience, and consistency. It is essential to start training from an early age when their minds are more open to learning and they are more receptive to commands. Also, it is important to understand that each dog is unique, and their ability to be off-leash may vary. The first step in off-leash training is to establish a strong foundation in basic obedience. This includes commands such as sit, stay, come, and heel. It is crucial to reinforce these commands consistently and gradually increase the level of difficulty. Positive reinforcement techniques, such as treats and praise, can be used to motivate the Rottweiler during training sessions. Once the Rottweiler demonstrates proficiency in basic obedience, the next step is to introduce advanced off-leash training. This involves practicing commands in a controlled environment, initially using a long leash for safety. Gradually, the leash can be shortened or removed entirely, depending on the Rottweiler's response and behavior. However, it is important to note that not all Rottweilers may be suitable for off-leash training. Some dogs have a stronger prey drive or a more dominant temperament, which can make it challenging to trust them off-leash. It is crucial to consider the individual characteristics of the Rottweiler before attempting off-leash training. A professional dog trainer can provide valuable guidance and assistance in off-leash training. They can assess the Rottweiler's behavior, temperament, and response to commands, and tailor the training program accordingly. A qualified trainer can also address any specific issues or concerns related to off-leash training. The socialization of a Rottweiler is another crucial factor to consider when determining their suitability for off-leash training. Exposing the dog to a variety of environments, people, and other animals at an early age helps them become more confident and adaptable. Socialization also teaches the Rottweiler to interact appropriately with others, reducing the risk of aggression or unpredictable behavior when off-leash. Consistency is key when training a Rottweiler to be off-leash. It is important to establish a routine and stick to it, ensuring that the dog receives regular training and reinforcement of commands. Additionally, regular exercise, mental stimulation, and playtime are vital for a Rottweiler's overall well-being and can contribute to their success in off-leash training. Another aspect to consider is the safety of the environment where the Rottweiler will be off-leash. It is essential to choose a secure and enclosed area, such as a fenced yard or a designated dog park, to minimize the risk of accidents or the dog running away. Supervision is also important to ensure that the Rottweiler does not wander off or get into potentially dangerous situations. It is important to remember that off-leash training is not a guarantee that a Rottweiler will never stray or misbehave. There may be instances where distractions or unexpected circumstances can cause the dog to disregard commands. Therefore, it is critical for owners to remain vigilant and prepared to handle any situation that may arise when the Rottweiler is off-leash. In conclusion, Rottweilers can be trained to be off-leash, but it requires time, effort, and consistency. Starting training from an early age, establishing a strong foundation in basic obedience, and gradually progressing to advanced off-leash training are crucial steps. However, the suitability of each Rottweiler for off-leash training depends on their individual temperament, prey drive, and response to commands. Consulting with a professional dog trainer and ensuring proper socialization are essential in this process. Lastly, it is important to remember that off-leash training is not foolproof, and supervision and cautiousness are necessary to ensure the dog's safety.